A locked door and a tightly drawn curtain used to be the standard for a completely private life. We treat our homes as the one place on Earth where we aren't being watched. To keep that home running smoothly, we've populated it with an ecosystem of convenient helpers. We buy smart TVs, voice-activated speakers, and robot vacuums to reclaim the time we used to spend on chores. We perceive these devices as simple tools. The vacuum wakes up, navigates the hallway, and docks itself once the floor is clear of dust. But the same sensors used to navigate around your furniture are simultaneously capturing the exact geometry of your personal environment. In the pursuit of a chore-free life, the boundaries of the home have become transparent to the companies that build the machines we use to clean them. Looking at this animated diagram of a standard room, we see how the machine actually perceives its surroundings. It sees the world through pulsing 360-degree waves of data. This information comes from the spinning dome on top of the vacuum, housing a LiDAR system. The system fires thousands of laser pulses every second to calculate distance. These individual data points aggregate into a high-resolution wireframe. The vacuum isn't just seeing obstacles, it is creating a millimeter-perfect 3D blueprint of your entire living space. The navigation data required to avoid a coffee table is identical to the data required to reconstruct your home's layout on a remote server. Once that layout is mapped, it doesn't stay on the device. It begins a journey from your physical floor to the manufacturer's database. This transfer is entirely legal. By clicking I agree during setup, you granted the manufacturer the right to upload your spatial data to the cloud. Your floor plan is compressed, sent through your Wi-Fi router, and stored in a server farm where it can be analyzed by the company's algorithms. We have signed contracts that turn the physical dimensions of our homes into a proprietary asset for the tech industry. This raises a question of value. Why is a vacuum manufacturer interested in the size and shape of your living room? By measuring your home's square footage, algorithms estimate household income and net worth. The map also reveals lifestyle changes. If LiDAR detects the dimensions of a crib or pet crate, your profile is tagged with a new demographic label. Physical detection triggers your digital life. You'll see ads for baby products or pet insurance on your phone, powered by the data your vacuum collected while you were at work. The physical space you live in has been converted into a stream of marketing data that companies can buy and sell. Security used to be about keeping intruders out of our systems. Now we use our own income to buy the sensors and place them inside our most private rooms. We are navigating a trade-off where absolute privacy and automated convenience are becoming mutually exclusive. The next time you hear your smart vacuum start its cycle, remember that its sensors are working for more than one master. It is mapping your life as effectively as it cleans your floor.